These are the boathouses of Alleppey in Kerala. These are the backwaters of Alleppey. Boathouses come in all different shapes and sizes, and you can go on them with various packages for 1 hour or one day. These are some of the views. Prices depend on what kind of package you choose. If 10 to 15 people go on this, you end up paying 2,500 or $30 or so. For that, you get 3 meals and a day trip on the lake. There are lots of options to choose. You can even do some speed boating. They come to the boat and pick you up. You can even stay on the boat for the night while it's docked. That's how the room looks. It even has air conditioning and a washroom. And you get this amazing view in the morning. There are even luxury boats which cost 10 times as much. It is quite calming. It is quite a fun experience. You get to see this amazing scenery, and you can also eat lots of really nice seafood. Really fun boathouses in Alleppey. Quite nice. Check it out.